This is the Disclock steering wheel lock, one of the toughest anti-theft devices on the market today. Designed to secure your entire steering wheel, the Disclock spins freely when attacked, preventing thieves from steering or driving your vehicle, even if they manage to start it. Built from hardened steel and tested against cutting, drilling, and sawing, the Disclock offers real protection, not just a visual deterrent. It's also Thacham approved and trusted by law enforcement and insurance companies across the world. In this video, we'll show you how fast and easy it is to install. Simply unlock, open, place over the wheel, close, and secure. It takes just seconds, but gives you lasting peace of mind. Whether you park on the street, in a garage, or at the airport, Disclock keeps your vehicle one step ahead of criminals. Available in different sizes to fit most cars, and backed by years of proven reliability, it's no wonder this lock has won multiple security awards. Protect your investment. Deter theft. Drive with confidence. Choose Disclock. Now let's take a closer look at why the Disclock stands out. Unlike standard steering wheel locks that only block a portion of the wheel, the Disclock covers the entire steering wheel. This unique design prevents the wheel from being turned, making driving the vehicle impossible, even if a thief bypasses the ignition. The exterior spins freely when forced, instantly neutralizing tools like crowbars and angle grinders. That means no leverage, no steering, no getaway. Number 2. Meet the 70Mi Omni X800 Dash Cam, a breakthrough in 360-degree vehicle protection. This isn't just a dash cam, it's an all-seeing digital co-pilot. Equipped with a fully rotating 360-degree panoramic lens, the Omni X800 captures every angle, front, side, and even interior, eliminating blind spots and offering full coverage in real time. Whether you're driving or parked, this camera keeps a sharp eye on everything around you. Recording in stunning 2K resolution, the X800 delivers ultra-clear footage, even at night, thanks to advanced low-light technology and AI-powered night vision. Worried about break-ins or parking lot dings? The built-in AI motion detection and collision alerts activate the camera instantly, so you never miss a moment. And with 4G connectivity, you can receive alerts, view live footage, or access recordings straight from your phone, wherever you are. Plus, voice control makes it easy to command your dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel. The Omni X800 isn't just smart. It's sleek, compact, and designed to complement your vehicle's interior. 24-hour protection, instant access, smart security, simplified. This is more than a dash cam. It's peace of mind on every drive. Drive smarter, drive safer. Choose the 70Mi Omni X800. Number 3. Introducing the ultimate solution for secure and versatile phone mounting in your vehicle. The Car Phone Holder for MagSafe, 78 plus lbs strongest suction and 2400 GF strongest magnetic 360-degree adjustable car phone mount. Engineered with a rotating lock vacuum suction system, this mount offers 78 pounds of holding force, ensuring your phone stays put even on the bumpiest roads. The 4-layer nano gel suction cup maintains its grip in extreme temperatures, from 40 degrees to 300 degrees, and can be reused after cleaning, retaining up to 99% of its original suction power. Equipped with 22 high-performance N55 magnets, it delivers a magnetic strength of 2400 dF, securely holding your device without interfering with signals. The 360-degree rotating base and two 10-degree dual-axis folding metal arms allow for effortless adjustments, providing the perfect viewing angle in both portrait and landscape modes. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including the latest iPhone models, this mount combines durability, flexibility, and strength, making it an essential accessory for any driver. Number 4. Say hello to the ultimate in-car upgrade, the wireless CarPlay adapter with built-in Netflix and YouTube support. This compact powerhouse transforms your vehicle's factory CarPlay system into a full-blown multimedia hub, all without a single wire. No more plugging in your phone every time you drive. Just connect the adapter once to your car's USB port, and it automatically pairs with your iPhone or Android every time you start the engine. It's plug-and-play simplicity, powered by smart technology. What really sets this adapter apart? Entertainment. Now, you can stream Netflix, YouTube, and other video apps right from your dashboard. Whether you're waiting in the pickup line, parked during a road trip, or keeping passengers entertained, this device makes your car feel like a mobile theater. And yes, it supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it compatible with nearly every major smartphone on the market. Need navigation? No problem. Use Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps with real-time updates, all hands-free. Answer calls, listen to music, send texts, or queue up your favorite playlists, all without touching your phone. Plus, it features TF card support, allowing you to store and play your own media files directly from the device, perfect for long drives or poor signal areas. Its sleek, compact design won't clutter your space, and it stays hidden while delivering powerful performance. Updates are wireless too, so your adapter stays current with the latest features and fixes. Upgrade your ride with seamless wireless freedom, non-stop entertainment, and next-level convenience. This is more than a CarPlay adapter. It's how smart driving should feel. Drive connected, drive entertained, drive smarter with the wireless CarPlay adapter. Number 5. Meet the ultimate companion for your car, our 4-in-1 retractable fast car charger. Designed to power up to 4 devices at once, it features 2 built-in 80mm retractable cables, 1 Lightning for iPhones, 1 USB-C for Android, so your passengers can charge right from the back seat, 2 extra ports, USB-C and USB-A, for additional devices. With a total output of up to 60W via PD, 30W USB-C, 12W Apple, 15W USB-C port, and 12W USB-A, it ensures fast charging for all your gear and keeps your car clutter-free. Installation is simple. Plug it into your 12V or 24V socket, and it automatically retracts cords back into place when not in use. No more tangled cables, no more mess. But it's more than convenience. It's smart charging. Equipped with safety protections against overcurrent, overheating, short circuits, and overvoltage, your devices and car battery are safeguarded. Monitoring your car's voltage in real time? Yes, it even has that, thanks to its integrated display that shows exact voltage levels, alerting you if the battery drops too low. Lightweight at just 158 grams and compact at 139 x 65 x 35 millimeters, it fits snugly without cluttering your interior. The retractable design keeps cords clean and within reach. No floor spaghetti or dash the cables. Whether you're on a solo commute or a long family road trip, its one-hand usage and clutter-free design give you cleaner, smarter, and faster charging on the go. Ready for a neater, more powerful drive? Plug in the 4-in-1 retractable fast car charger, where organization meets performance.